Today I report your customer. I go buy something somewhere. The stupid sales boy with your one face and neck be like ostrich. It just squeeze face. You got no day. Now I copied your account number for the wall. I won't call your guy. Make a tell. I say sack that boy. I say sack that guy. If we drive customer from you, it's not the good sales boy. It not the ring. My color. I want to report that guy to your guy. I probably made your guy pick. He don't pick. Hello, sir.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning to you, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm very good. And you?
I'm okay, sir. My name is Ratata of Wazobia FM Lagos.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Oga, you get a shop for Somi Abi? Where they for the sell wire and all of all that, right?
Yes.
Exactly. Sir, I was at your shop yesterday. I could buy flexible wire. I said, let me report your boy to you, sir. Your boy, when you put for that shop, is tall, slim, lanky, yellow, Abi.
Yes.
The boy is not a good representative of your business, sir. Do you know why?
Okay, sir.
Because the boy did not attend to me well. He just squeeze his face. Now me and my electrician, I go there. I said, let me buy flexible wire. We they ask him. If they throw away face, they talk to us anyhow, sir. Now say, come, young man. Do you know who could buy something for you? He never answer. Now the electrician say, they ask you, say, this wire when you give me, and the other one when they inside the shop, not be the same. You say, not the same. Now they are not the same. You say, I beg you. We they tell her, if they squeeze face, he never answer us again, self. Now one man, when they near the shop, come to us, say, make we not vex. Say you not there. He say, I beg, make we not vex. Okay, we did not buy again. We left your shop. We went somewhere else.
Wow.
Now, say, make I call you. As I'm talking to you now, sir, my name is Ratata Wazobia FM. I'm on air. Are they live on air? The whole world they hear also.
Ratata.
And a market report be this so. Now, say, make I call you. Make I report your boy. May you pursue that boy.
Thank you very much.
If you not pursue me, talk sense enter your head because he go drive customers.
I saw you while you were going out. I was just crying, but you didn't listen again.
Oh, you even saw me.
I was coming and I just saw you and one man moving down.
The man where I said, you correct. The man where come back, he said you go shop. I say okay. Now I copy your number for the wall. Now I say okay. Today I go call you. Make I tell you say that your boy. You go pursue customers for you. I go somewhere else go buy you because of that guy behavior.
Thank you very much.
So talk to him very well. Say if he's not ready to do business and make business sweet for you and make him leave the shop on a serious note because he's playing with your business.
He's listening to you now. I'm not in the shop, but he's listening to you right now.
I hope so.
Sure of that.
I tell her, I said, do you know who is coming here? You don't know who customers are. He's just quiet. He never answer us. He never apologize. He never smile. Nothing. I said, okay, no problem. No problem.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, okay. I go keep in touch with you, Sha.
That is the section of the people, Wazobia.
Now, so I go come the shop again on a good day. Before I come, I go call you, say I go come.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
No, wala. Thank you. Yeah. That guy is a bad customer for the organ.
And if to send a woman now, sir, before sing that song for them, say you don't have a chair.
I'm telling you.
Face,
I say, come.
people.
I say, I say, you don't talk to people or you don't behave anyhow to a customer. You don't know who the person is. I'm not saying that because of pride. Treat people well. You don't know who the person be.
That's so.
Your God now go call the suffer say no market. But right now you the sales boy, all the sales girl, they pursue them. Why? Your bad character. Report your customer. Now they report the behavior of sales boys and sales girls. You got to make your God they go prayer houses for nothing. Say customers not come. And now your behavior they pursue them.
Now so.
Now sit down. So that's that lakpa guy with his ostrich neck.
Whoa.
He pursued me. I left there. I said yes. I said this guy today. I go call your guy, make a report to your guy. I don't care if your guy pursue, I'm fine. Because if na me get business and I put sales boy sales game and the sales guy they pursue customers, they pursue because of his behavior. No, that means you don't mean well for me.
So.
It is business. I go and I wanted to buy 20 yards of that wire. Do you know what that is?
Small money with that.
They want your sales boys or sales girls. May they not spoil market for you. They don't know who is coming to buy, who is coming to sell, who is not coming to buy.
If I want the boy now.
I tell her for them. No, I was talking to him. The guy, he backed me. I said, look at this guy, you. I said, he just backed me. Enter the shop, come outside, just to the throw face, they look war. I said, he tall, male, lanky, yellow. Like, he got ostrich neck. I said, come on.
If they do me like that, I'll tell them, say, person where they swallow, no what person where they chew.
I tell him now. I say, call. You don't know who is coming here to buy stuff. He not even answer. He not say, okay, I'm sorry. He just the throw face, they turn here, then here.
Good morning.
Morning to you.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
See, this sex girl or sex boy,
Yeah.
some good, some no they good.
Of course, we know that. Yes.
You get the one when I go buy something for Aja.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now there are the two small boys.
Yeah.
Maybe they're 12 years or 13 years old.
Okay.
So the way where the boy take sell the market for me,
Yeah.
entertain me,
Yeah.
make me buy the market for in hand.
Okay.
For the small children to talk.
Yes.
Mama buy this one.
Yes.
Mama buy for my hand now.
Okay.
It dey good. So as they talk that word finish, I continue look the boy. I say,
Yeah.
I get the age of these people. Only that they no go to school, but
Yeah.
we put them. No do well for them. They're
Okay.
supposed to be for school that day.
Okay.
So I come buy the market. They're happy. Even people wait there around them. Because I buy plenty market for their hand.
Okay.
It attend me well. It reach next time again. I go
You
there,
go.
no
Oh,
buy.
Abi, you see now because they do you well, they talk to you well. Thank you.
I beg you call the man so that beg and make the one talk am here.
No. I tell her, I say make it deal with the guy. Make it just let him teach him a lesson. Make it teach him a lesson. Don't worry, madam, don't worry. Because if not me, you are killing me. I go sack you straight to.
You see, this
I
thing
go
wey
sack you
no
very
be
fast.
pity, no be pity.
I'm not gonna
because
pity you spoil my business.
The market
So.
where they don't lose because of that
behavior. As I
that
tell you now,
yesterday.
as they do this this work, so it's not the sweet now.
Oh.
So imagine I say we dey misbehave for
They
you.
do anyhow.
We not gonna listen to
go
us
tune
now.
off now.
Why was it better go tire you now? By
nah.
so we go make our guy dey lose
Oh.
money. So that means I'm a bad representative
we no go
of the
dey do
shop.
pity,
I
dey
won't
pity.
take it. So if
No.
not me be the businessman, and I go sack anybody when one cause me problem for my business. Straight up, it's not pity.
Oh.
It's not one thing. No, madam.
Because if you
I
pet
tell God,
some things,
then they pet security.
they know they pet some
lie,
things.
because that man when get the shop, it's a human being.
Oh.
He rents the shop.
Oh.
They pay for shop rent.
Oh.
I been
And
not
even
so-
no pay the boy. The
Oh.
boy go dey shout say,
I dey tell
"Oga
you.
no pay me."
So we're talking about very, very rubbish attitude when sales
It's
bot
not
and sales
good.
guests they exhibit. It is
Oh.
very wrong. This is market runs. So now we go dey correct all the lakpa things.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oya, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chook mouth.